You might know Google Cloud Services, but can you pick the right one under pressure? Because in the ACE exam, this is where most people lose marks. Two answers look right, but only one is truly optimal. In this video, you'll tackle exam-style practice questions across the most critical exam topics, planning and implementing cloud solutions. If you haven't watched the setup and billing video yet, check it out after this. Now, let's get into choosing the right architecture for real-world scenarios. Let's dive in. Question 1. You need to run a containerized application without managing infrastructure. What should you choose? A. Compute Engine. B. Google Kubernetes Engine. C. Cloud Run. D. App Engine Flexible. Pause the video and try to answer. Correct answer: C. Cloud Run. Explanation: Cloud Run lets you run containerized applications without worrying about servers, scaling, or infrastructure. You just deploy your container and it automatically handles traffic, scaling up when needed and scaling down when idle. Question 2. You want to deploy a VM with high availability. What should you configure? A. Labels. B. Availability policy. C. Firewall rule. D. IAM role. Pause for 5 seconds. Think about it. Correct answer: B. Availability policy. Explanation: An availability policy controls how a VM behaves during maintenance events or failures. It lets you configure things like automatic restarts and host maintenance handling, which helps improve uptime and reliability. Question 3. You need highly available disk storage across zones. What should you use? A. Regional persistent disk. B. Zonal persistent disk. C. Local SSD. D. Cloud storage. Pause the video and choose the best answer. Correct answer: A. Regional persistent disk. Explanation: Regional persistent disk stores data synchronously across two zones in a region. This replication ensures that if one zone fails, your data is still available from another zone, providing high availability. Quick reminder: if you want more realistic associate cloud engineer practice questions, platforms like Pass4 Success can help you simulate the actual exam environment and improve your accuracy. Question 4. A web app runs on VMs and experiences unpredictable traffic spikes. The team wants automatic adjustment of VM instances based on demand without manual effort. What should they create? A. Instance group with fixed size. B. Managed instance group with autoscaling. C. Snapshot for VM recovery. D. Load balancer for traffic distribution. Take a few seconds to think about this one. Correct answer: B. Managed instance group with autoscaling. Explanation: A managed instance group with autoscaling automatically adds or removes VM instances based on demand. This is ideal for handling unpredictable traffic spikes because it adjusts capacity without manual intervention. Question 5. You want a fully managed Kubernetes experience with minimal configuration. What should you choose? A. Standard GKE. B. Cloud Run. C. Compute Engine. D. GKE Autopilot. Pause for 5 seconds. Think about the best answer. Correct answer: D. GKE Autopilot. Explanation: GKE Autopilot provides a fully managed Kubernetes experience where Google handles most infrastructure tasks like node provisioning, scaling, upgrades, and cluster management. Question 6. You need to store rarely accessed data at the lowest possible cost. Which storage class should you choose? A. Standard for frequent access data. B. Nearline for occasional access data. C. Cold line for infrequent access data. D. Archive for long-term storage. Pause for 5 seconds. Think about it. Correct answer: D. Archive for long-term storage. Explanation: Google Cloud Storage. Archive storage is designed for data that is accessed very rarely, for example, once a year or less. It offers the lowest storage cost, making it ideal for long-term retention. Question 7. You need a globally scalable relational database. What should you choose? A. Cloud SQL. B. Firestore. C. Spanner. D. Bigtable. Pause for 5 seconds. Think about it. Correct answer: C. Spanner. Explanation: Cloud Spanner is a fully managed, horizontally scalable relational database designed for global applications. It provides strong consistency, SQL support, and automatic replication across regions, making it ideal for worldwide scalability. Question 8. You want private communication between two VPCs. What should you use? A. Cloud VPN, B. VPC peering, C. Load balancer, D. Firewall rule. Pause for 5 seconds. Think about it. Correct answer, B. VPC peering. Explanation: VPC peering allows two virtual private cloud VPC networks to communicate privately using internal IP addresses without going over the public internet. It provides low latency, secure connectivity between networks. Let's recap. In this video, you practiced essential questions on planning and implementing cloud solutions, covering compute, storage, networking, and infrastructure as code. These are key areas in the Google Associate Cloud Engineer exam, where choosing the right solution matters most. To improve, keep practicing scenario-based questions. For deeper prep, try Pass for Success to simulate real exam conditions. Start practicing today. Next, we'll cover more advanced scenarios to sharpen your exam readiness. Stay consistent. You're one step closer to getting certified.